Hey guys, how you doing tonight? I just got a lock. I don't know what the brand is on it, but as you can see, it's kind of cool lock. It's got a double lock feature. When you push it down, it locks, but if you push it down again, it double locks, which is double locked right now. But if someone knows what kind of brand or what kind of lock it is, just tell me. Leave a comment or something. But just doing a basic pick on it tonight, and I seem to get it pretty quick, so show you it's locked. And like I said, there's that double lock thing. Push it once, and it locks. Push it again, it locks again. And once again, show you it's locked. Yeah, so if anyone knows what kind of lock it is, just tell me. Thank you.